Hey, fourth grade. So, as you read the literature anthology story today, I'm going to give you the pages, so I want you to try to read it on your own. I'm also going to read it in a separate video if you're struggling reading it. But you're going to take a quiz. And I'm just going to go over the quiz questions because I always like to go over those first. So, you're going to read a story called How Ben Franklin Stole the Lightning. So you're going to need to read the story to find the answers to each question. It's going to be very important to go back and reread to obtain the correct answer. So the first question, and it'll show you how many points each question's worth. Which word is a synonym for genuine? And you might have to go back to those vocab pages. So you'll click your answer. Sincere, simple, slick, or tasty. Next one. What is an antonym for hilarious? Loud, slow, serious, or funny? Which of these is likely to make you feel dizzy? Singing loudly, going for a walk, watching TV, or taking a fast ride? The word nowadays means taking place today, recently, years ago, or soon. Which of the following is a politician? A farmer, a teacher, a governor, or a lawyer? Those are all those vocab words that I've given you feedback on already and you've used throughout this week in our stories. So we should be an expert at those 5. So we should easily get those 5 points. The rest of the questions deal with the story. As you read, where did most people put lightning rods to avoid house fires? In the basement, in the fireplace, on the roof, or in the kitchen? Rosalind Shasner uses strong voice in the story. Name one way on page 410 she sounds like she is talking to the readers. So how does it sound like the author is talking to you as we read? This one is worth 2 points, you'll see. Oh, that's worth 2 points. Name 2 inventions of Ben Franklin's that we still use today. This is really something that my 4th graders and 5th graders get tricked on. This one's name 2 inventions we still use today. And look at this next question. Name 2 ideas of Ben Franklin's that we still use today. Make sure you don't get those 2 mixed up. How did Ben calm big waves in a lake? Read closely on page 415 to find out Ben's purpose in doing experiments with electricity. So why was he doing experiments with electricity? What is the author's main idea on page 409? That would be a good time to put in that summary. And how do the illustrations, so those pictures on 408 and 409, support the main idea, support that summary and the most important part? And then you will click submit, and I will be grading your quizzes this week, and we'll see how you do. Good luck!